This is the Milwaukee M18 PACKOUT charger. It can charge up to 6 batteries and charges the batteries in parallel. This charger comes with a carrying handle at the top and cleats to allow you to slot it into any PACKOUT system at the bottom. This makes the Milwaukee M18 PACKOUT charger a very portable device, allowing you to bring 6 batteries to the job site, carry them around and charge them on the go. The batteries that are opposite one another will be charged at the same time. Get greater efficiency on the job site and ensure that all your tools are powered at the same time. Shop at Precedent Trading for the best tools and service.